All right, friends, since it's not super nice outside today and it's going to be a little bit rainy, we're going to do an indoor game. And this game is called Paper Football. And you may have played this before, but I'm going to show you, one, how to make a paper football, and B, I'm going to show you how to play it as well. So you're going to need a piece of paper, just a regular old piece of computer paper or notebook paper, and then you're also going to need a flat surface to play, so like a dining room table will be just fine. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make the paper football, and again, all you need is a piece of paper, and I've kind of already folded it a little bit, but I will show you how to do it. So, take it and you first fold it in half, just like this. Then you take that, and you also fold that in half, that folded. And the next part is like if you were folding a flag. So you're going to take a corner and you're going to make a right angle with it, just like this, okay? And then you're going to fold it on the flat part over that, okay? So you're just going to have another flat like this. And then when you have a diagonal, the next one, you're going to do it over the diagonal, okay? So then I'm left with the flat part, so I'm going to fold it over the flat part. And then you just keep alternating between doing over the diagonal part and the flat part, okay? So this is what you're left with, and I'm going to put a piece of tape over this last part so that you have a nice triangle, and this is your paper football. All right, so this is the football after I've taped it up a little bit. And I'm going to play using this table, and I'm going to play this direction so that I can show you a little bit easier how to do the certain things. So you just need a flat surface to do it, and you can play the lengthwise of the table if you want to, but I'm going to do it this way just so that I can show you a little bit easier the different ways to play. All right, first I'm going to show you how to move the football. So you can use your fingers like this, and you can flick the football. Or you can use your fingers like this and push it along. So I'll show you those different ways to do it. And now when you're pushing it with your fingers like this, you can't keep your hand on the football to like keep it moving. You have to just touch it and let it move on its own. So this is what not to do. You can't do that. You just touch it and shoot and shut it. All right. So what you don't want to do is you do not want to flick it off the table like I just did. So you don't want that to happen. You want to try to keep the football on the table. If your opponent knocks it off the table 3 times, then you are eligible to make a field goal. All right? So I will show you what has to happen for a field goal. The other player has to make some uprights, and they go like this, or if you want to make it harder, you can go like this, and it's a little bit narrower. So either way, so I'll show you what that looks like. Like this, or like this. And if you were the person trying to make the field goal, you're going to stand it up like this and flick it from the bottom, or you can set it up like this. So I'll show you what that looks like. So if you were to make that, that is worth 3 points, and you get that if your opponent is the one who knocks it off 3 times. So they knock it off the table 3 times, and you're eligible for a field goal. Now the way that you get a touchdown is if you're able to flick the football and it lands on the edge like this. Okay, that is a touchdown. So you could do it one of 2 ways. You could have that be 6 points, and then you have to go for an extra point, just like we did the field goal, or you can have that just count as 7. So either way that you want to do it. So this is a touchdown since it is on the edge of the table, and it clearly has not fallen off.
So that is paper football, and I hope y'all enjoy it.